In part 3, we're going to continue with the number line. You will find this on page 27 in the Namibian Mathematics Grade 8 textbook, y equals mx plus c to success. Let's first look at example 4. If I asked you represent the numbers 2.5, minus 1.3, 0, negative 3 and 4 on a number line, arrange the numbers in ascending order. From the given numbers, list the numbers that are integers, positive and negative numbers. Okay, let's start with A. First, take your ruler and draw a number line. Just make 1 centimeter spaces and then fill in the positive as well as the negative numbers. Now, start with the first number. That will be 2.5. Now, 2.5 will be between 2 and 3, exactly in the middle. So, let's just write, there is 2.5. It's that little dot. Then the next one, negative 1.3. It's between negative 1 and negative 2, but it's more to negative 1 side. So, it's negative 1.3. And then the next one, it will be 0. And then the next one will be negative 3. And then the next one will be 4. Okay. Now, arrange the numbers in ascending order. Remember, ascending order is from the smallest to the biggest number. Okay. So, if I start here, so the smallest will be the one on the left. So, it will be negative 3, then negative 1.3, then 0, then 2.5, then 4. Now, from the given numbers, list the numbers that are integers. Now, what will be integers? Integers is, there are no fractions. So, it's just whole parts. So, if you look at the integers, it will be negative 3, it will be 0, and it will be 4. Negative 3, 0, and 4. And then my positive numbers. What will be my positive numbers? My positive numbers, it can be fractions. So, it will be 2.5 and it will be 4. And then my negative numbers, it can again be fractions. So, negative 3 and negative 1.3. All the numbers that's having a negative in front of it. Okay. I want you to stop the video and I want you to do try now 4. And as soon as you are finished, you can continue the video. Okay, let's start. I was drawing my number line and I made 1 centimeter spaces. And I was writing the positive numbers as well as the negative numbers. Now, let's start by plotting all that numbers. So, negative 1.5. Negative 1.5 will be exactly in the middle there, between negative 1 and negative 2. So, it's negative 1.5. Then the next one, 3, will be exactly there. So, this will be 3. Then the next one, 1. That will be 1. Then the next one, 4.5. It will be between 4 and 5, exactly in the middle. So, it will be 4.5. And then the next one will be negative 5. Okay. And now, number B. Arrange the numbers in descending order. Remember, D for down. So, it will be from the biggest to the smallest. So, I will start from the biggest and I will list it until the smallest. So, if I do, this was number A. If I do number B, the biggest is 4.5. Then it will be 3. Then it will be 1. Then negative 1.5. And then negative 5. And then the next one, from the given numbers, list the numbers that are integers. So, let's look. Integers. That's numbers with no fractions. So, if I look at the integers, it will just be negative 5, 1, and 3. So, negative 5, 1, and 3. No fractions. And then the next one they ask is positive numbers. That's the ones which is not having a negative sign. So in this case, the positive numbers will be, it can be fractions, remember, so 1, 3, and 4.5. So it's 1, 3, and 4.5. And then the next one, that will be negative numbers. And now it's all the ones with negative signs. Can be fractions again. And I just see -5 and -1.5.